Hello, I'm J.W. Peters with Solar Power of Oklahoma, and today I'd like to speak to you about our SPO referral program. Nothing says job well done better than receiving a referral from one of our customers or one of our fans. But did you know that you can actually get paid for that referral? Right now we're offering a $1,000 referral bonus for any of our customers or our SPO fans, people that have heard about us and like what they've heard. We're offering a $1,000 referral bonus for anybody that purchases a system from us that was a referral. So maybe you met with one of our solar advisors and it wasn't a good fit. Maybe we decided that solar wasn't right for you. However, you learned something about solar and about Solar Power of Oklahoma and you want to share that with your friends and family. Well, you are eligible for that referral bonus as well. So a lot of people ask us, well, why offer this referral bonus, right? Isn't this a little gimmicky? And the truth is it's not. We're trying to be able to get the word out that solar, a proven technology, is now here in Oklahoma. It now makes sense to move forward with generating your own electricity. But a lot of people don't know anything about that. So all we're asking for is our customers or people that have learned about solar or about Solar Power of Oklahoma to share that information with their friends and with their family. And if they move forward, then we're going to pay you a $1,000 referral bonus. So if you have any more questions about solar, Solar Power of Oklahoma, or our referral program, please go to our website or our YouTube page to learn more.